Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time, which should be on the third position, and as you can see here we've got all options connected to the date and time, and also a time zone, but as you can see we cannot manually set the date and time. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all, let's tap on the switcher to turn off the time zone and tap here at the very top. And here, as you can see, we can either turn off this option, so we will be able to manually set the date and time. We can use network provided time just like now, or GPS provided time. So let me pick off, and as you can see, both of the options are active, so we can freely tap on date and from this calendar pick the date we want to use. So let me pick, for example, randomly this one. Tap on OK. And the same situation with that time. From this clock we can pick the one we would like to use, so let me pick 11 o'clock, tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region here, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It will be affected by the time zone you've chosen. Under it you've got some options connected to the time zone, so here you can decide if you want to use location to set time zone. Of course this option is right now turned on, but it will work only if you will have this option turned on also. And here you can decide if you'd like to use local default, which is connected to the time format. So after turning off this option, you will be able to, let's say, manually decide if you'd like to use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format like now. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to your previous settings. Just tap on, maybe not this switcher but this switcher, tap on automatic time zone, and here use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to set date and time in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.